Hey there! Welcome to the 7 home maintenance tips every homeowner should know. Straight from a seasoned carpenter who's seen it all, built it all, and fixed it all. Now I'm here to help you take care of your castle, whether it's brand new or been through a few wars. You don't have to be Bob Vila to keep your home in shape, but if you follow these tips, I promise your wallet, your walls, and your sanity will thank you. Let's get into it. 1. Start with the bones, your foundation. Look for cracks or unevenness. If your house starts tilting, that's a problem you don't want to ignore. 2. Check for water pooling near the base of your house. Water's great for plants, but terrible for concrete. Grade your soil to drain away from your foundation. 3. Inspect your crawl space or basement for moisture. You don't want mold down there. It's not just gross, it's expensive to fix. 4. And hey, if your house is creaking and groaning more than your knees, it's time to tighten things up. Screws and nails are cheap. Structural repairs? Not so much. 5. Your roof is your first line of defense. Keep it clean, check for missing shingles, and make sure the flashing is tight around vents and chimneys. Ain't nobody got time for a leaky roof. 6. Clean your gutters, people. Trust me, they're not supposed to be miniature gardens. 7. Make sure your downspouts extend at least 4 feet from your house. Otherwise, you're just inviting water to crash the party in your basement. Remember, your home is your biggest investment. Take care of it, and it'll take care of you. Or at least keep the gutters clean. Baby steps, right? And hey, if you ever feel overwhelmed, the Build and Create Solutions team is qualified and ready to assist. Visit BuildNCreateSolutions.com for a quote today. Now, go grab your toolbox, roll up your sleeves, and make that house the envy of the block. See y'all next time.